everyone! If you're looking to stay organized by adding a Google Calendar to your Gmail account, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to access your Google Calendar right from your phone. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure your Google Calendar is connected to your phone. For this, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to find Mail. Once you have found the mail, tap on it and tap on Mail Accounts and tap on your Google account. Once you type your Gmail account, you'll see options like Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Make sure the Calendars toggle is turned on. For this, you need to log in again. Tap on Login. Sign in with your Google account by filling in your email and password, and tap on Select All and tap on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully added your Google Calendar to your Gmail account on your phone. Now you can easily keep track of all your events and appointments, whether they are work related or personal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Got questions or need extra help? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.